Welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Epson XP-6100, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up auto power on feature on this device. Auto power on feature enables the printer to turn on automatically when a print job is sent. So it's a very cool feature to enable. So open settings, find here basic settings, scroll down, find here auto power on, click OK, and just click on. And now when printer will be in sleep mode, and when you send file to print, so it will automatically power on and print your documents. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.